Hi guys, I just put the camera on again because I heard things in the kitchen again. Oh, it's that cupboard's moving again. Just put it in the kitchen. Move that cupboard. If you're here and you can hear me, please move that cupboard. Please move the cupboard again if you can hear me and you want to communicate with me. Please move that cupboard. Please move the cupboard again. Please, put it in the kitchen. Please move the cupboard. Thank you. Please move it again. Please move it again. Guys, did you see that? I'm fed up with people saying they can't see at the bottom of the cupboard, so nobody there. Just put it in the kitchen. Please move the cupboard again. Please move it again. Please move it. Can you hear me? Can you see? If you can see me and hear me, please move it. Guys, I can't. Oh, it's put it in the kitchen. I respect that. If you don't want to move the cupboard again, I respect that.